What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I just want to go over these oscillating sprinklers. Somebody asked me in the comments, how do you change the filter? Now, you really only need to change the filter when, like, say for instance that I ran this with my rain barrels the other day, and you know, in the rain barrels you have a lot of algae in it, shingle pieces from the roof and all types of debris and stuff, and it will clog up. And as you can see right here, the filter is clogged up. So the way to change it is you take it off. Well, if you have some needle nose pliers, you could take it off, but if you can do it by your hand, you can kind of squeeze the filter and it comes off just like that. Now, the only thing you really need to do is just wash the filter real good with your water hose, or you know, in the sink or wherever you want to rinse it and clean it. If you have more filters, in which I will put a link in the description, you can get some filters on Amazon or Home Depot, Lowe's, however you want to do your shopping. You can get more filters. But yeah, if your sprinkler is not working to the best capability that it can, then the reason, or one of the reasons, is blocked filters. Almost everything dealing with waters and fountains and sprinklers has to deal with backed up filters. That's like one of the main things. So anyways, that's just one of the ways that you can check on the maintenance of your sprinklers. Just pull it out and it comes out. Once again, the easiest way is to get some needle nose pliers and pull it out, and then you'll be good. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.